Okay, this video will demonstrate how to get information into Phonology Assistant when the source data is in Excel. And for my example here, I am using this simple spreadsheet. I have columns of data with titles at the top, LX, IPA, gloss English. Now, you'll notice that this file is in xlsx mode. We're going to use a tool called Sheetswiper to process the file. Sheetswiper cannot handle xlsx, so we need to save it as XLS, which is an older version of Excel format. File, save as, shift down to xlsx, right, XLS, sorry, here, and we click save. I've already run through this process. My file exists here, so I'm just going to close it. I don't want to save any changes. All right, so Sheetswiper, to get Sheetswiper, you go to this website, click the download current version. You'll notice that it hasn't been updated in a while. It's still valid. The one big caveat is you can't use XLSX, you have to use XLS. So you download it. It doesn't install anything, you just run it. And it runs. Then you can simply drag the file. I'm going to drag this import into here, or you can browse to find it. And it does a quick run through, and it's going to take the columns and make separate entries for them in the DB format, in the SFM format. I don't need to explain what that is now. We'll get into that a little bit later when required for something else. And then you click Save as SFM, and it's going to save it. I've already done it once. I'm going to do it again just for fun. I'm going to replace it. Yes. So now I'm going to open this file in Notepad++. You can see that we've essentially gone from, I'll tell you what, let's do this. We've essentially gone from this in column to this. This is SFM format. LX entry, IPA, and gloss English. So I'm going to close this, we don't need it. I'm going to close this now. Now I have Phonology Assistant open. I'm going to File, click on New Project. Project name, this is, name it something specific to your project. This is just a PA import example. Language name, Thai. Language code, I believe that's TH. And then we're going to click on Add Non Fieldworks Data Source. Of course, PA is designed to work with Fieldworks, but we can do something without it. Non Fieldworks Data Source. I'm going to go to the location of my drive. C drive. This example. I have to click on Properties. I need to give it a phonetic source. It needs to know what field is the IPA. On Properties. Gloss. This is going to be, this is my phonetic. And let's move off the graphic. Leave. Matter. Hit OK. Hit OK. Do you want to load the IPA? Yes. Now I have my IPA. Of course, in my data, I didn't have super clean data. Some of these entries, they didn't have phonetic, didn't have these slashes. So that's okay, but here's my IPA. And now I can do sorting on this. And there's maybe some cleanup that needs to be done, but that's okay. That's a quick way to get data from Excel into PA using Solid as an intermediary to go from Excel to DB through Sheetswiper and then imports into Phonology Assistant. Thank you.